Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Your face is like sunshine, it brings us good cheer. Good morning, so glad that you're here. Hello, my friends. Today, for you, I'd like to talk about, do you know what they are? Scissors! That's right, they're scissors. And look, I have 1, 2 eyes on my scissors. And I have a nice little smiley mouth. So I saw some of my friends learning how to use the scissors. So I have a little song to help you. 2 fingers on the bottom and the thumb on the top. Open the mouth and go chop, chop, chop. 2 fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Open the mouth and go chop, chop, chop. So, here I have some paper. Do you know what color? Did you say pink? Very good, pink color. And I drew a line on my paper. So let's sing a song and cut out our paper and see what did Vicky cut. Okay. Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. Tuck your elbows nice and tight. Make sure you hold your scissors right. Fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Do not let the paper drop. Hold your scissors straight and not down. Turn your paper round and round. Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. Now, what did Vicky cut? Open it. What is it? Did you say a heart? You're right, it's a heart. And this heart says, I love you, with a big smiley face. So, next time you cut with the scissors, fingers in the bottom, thumb in the top, open the mouth and go chop, chop, chop. See you later, alligators.